There's Foxy and her new bed she got for Christmas. There's the tree with no more decorations. There's all Christian's toys and books. Here's Mommy and Christian. Christian's talking. He started really doing this around Christmas. And now it's January 5th, 2012. And we're just talking. Yeah. Tell the people what you want. World peace. That's good. Oh. You don't think that can happen? Well, it might take a lot of work. How about we just tell the people to reduce, reuse, and recycle? He's agreeing with me, people. Make it a great 2012. Bye-bye.